What's up, brick builders? Today's build is Ghost and set number Ghost. Year it came out was 2019, age group 6+, and it comes with a piece count of 21. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. This is interesting. Its set number is the same as its name, set name. Ghost, set number Ghost. So the story behind it is that it was one of those pick-a-brick builds that you would pick the bits off the pick-a-brick wall and then you would pay for those pieces. So you get the card, you go hunting for your pieces and pay for them, and you would pay for them at your local Lego store. So yeah, a very simple build. Let's dive in and build it. As you can see, a pretty tiny build. Turn that off so you can see it better. And it's on these trans clear 1x2 bricks with no studs in there or anything like that, just to make it look like it kind of hovers. You can't see that from top down, can you? But it's a goofy looking little thing. It's got like what looks like fangs on the side here. I like what they've done on the side here because they've made it kind of look drippy or droopy, that kind of thing on the side there, using the fangs as well. And then he's got this little goofy little face here as well, with the eyes and stuff like that. Yeah, it's a pretty goofy little build, I think. Not much to it. That light is awful. Not much to it. Bless it. Look. And you can see it's not that big at all. Folks, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share amongst your friends, family and anybody else who you think would be interested in seeing this kind of content. And also don't forget, put your notifications on to all so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next one. Halloween's almost upon us, folks. I'm Sean from BRIT'N Bricks.